Stock trading apps promise convenience, speed, and financial empowerment. Millions of Americans now manage investments directly from their phones, often generating more behavioral and financial data than they may expect. That visibility has expanded the range of opportunities criminals may try to exploit. The FBI has warned that U.S. investors are increasingly being targeted through social media platforms and messaging applications, often using schemes tied to fake investment clubs. In one method commonly associated with investment fraud, often described as a pump-and-dump manipulation, scammers pose as groups of fellow investors, sometimes using bots or fabricated accounts, to build trust and inflate interest before applying pressure. This trend has raised serious concerns about blackmail scenarios involving platforms like Robinhood, the potential ramifications of wealth exposure, and how trading app exploitation can escalate into intimidation and coercion. In this video, we'll explain how criminals may use trading app data to identify targets, the red flags to watch for, and how to respond if your financial information is used as leverage. How investing apps became data-rich targets. Early online brokerage accounts were accessed through desktop platforms with limited social or behavioral data. As mobile trading apps expanded, they introduced real-time balances, activity notifications, social features, and performance tracking. These additions improved usability, but also increased the amount of sensitive financial information stored and transmitted. As a result, some criminals have attempted to use leaked or scraped data to infer wealth indicators without needing direct account access. In some cases, exploitation has involved not just direct breaches, but also metadata and behavioral signals. From leaked signals to targeted pressure. Today, trading app exploitation does not always involve a traditional hack. Instead, attackers can use scraped emails, breached credentials from unrelated sites, or exposed analytics to identify users with significant holdings. Once identified, victims may receive messages referencing trades, balances, or market activity to establish credibility. Some threats involve fabricated claims of account access, while others rely on fear of exposure to employers, family members, or the public. Wealth exposure becomes leverage, even when full account control is never achieved. Financial visibility creates emotional leverage. Blackmail schemes involving trading platforms like Robinhood are dangerous because money represents security, status, and personal identity. Victims may fear theft, reputational harm, or targeted harassment. Even exaggerated threats can trigger panic when tied to real financial activity. Security analysts note that once criminals believe a target has assets, demands often escalate rather than stop. An investment data leak does not need to be complete to cause harm. Partial truth is often enough. Signals your investment data is being weaponized. When financial information is being used as leverage, the outreach often follows recognizable patterns designed to establish credibility and create pressure. Messages referencing recent trades or portfolio value. Claims that your account details were flagged or leaked. Demands tied to keeping financial information private. Pressure to move conversations off official platforms. Requests for payment to prevent exposure or reporting. Trading app exploitation often mixes real details with false urgency. Protect assets by acting deliberately. If you believe your investment data is being misused or referenced in a threat, taking calm, methodical steps can help limit risk and prevent escalation. Do not engage emotionally or respond to threats. Preserve emails, messages, links, and screenshots as evidence. Avoid blocking immediately, as blocking can remove evidence and trigger escalation attempts. Secure trading and email accounts with updated passwords and alerts. Monitor accounts closely for unusual activity. Report the incident to the platform and appropriate consumer protection channels. Reach out to private cybersecurity firms experienced in handling wealth-based blackmail and financial data exploitation. Financial privacy is worth defending. Stock trading apps have changed how people invest, but they have also changed how criminals identify targets. Robinhood blackmail and investment data exploitation rely on fear tied to wealth exposure. Acting quickly, preserving evidence, and seeking expert help can prevent escalation. Over the past decade, the team at Blackmail.HelpLine has helped thousands of individuals navigate digital extortion involving sensitive financial data using specialized cybersecurity expertise. If you ever fall victim to trading app exploitation or wealth-based blackmail, We can work to identify the perpetrator and uncover the evidence to support your case. Call 888-634-1535 or visit Blackmail.HelpLine.com to get started today with a free consultation.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at Blackmail.HelpLine.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.